And we was your saba. We started only didn't come over the Chebia, the Eddie come over and one TB, a money out. A greater crown common and need. TV, so Bibia Boko. Aquaba.
Yeah.
Or that my person can first 5 minutes, you know. Oba address it, a year and crime my gamai, or Mocasenim. Na wadoma se Ghana manfi. In your near hold and crime for, apart from the usual one, I am a epitipity or more time, no. More near and crime for and Casape, or won't patronize any Bibia bit my catch or Mocase, any beso.
You be Triboloy. Be mwene ni maso na maso mimba nyede manye wo gamancheme ganlumoy asafo acheme wo wolomoy senotaloy mba nyefe nyede manye be mwene so fiake wo gandangbe eni wo sheji wo gbejano to ni so ni won to la ojugba evi ake ma chon pa na no ko ni ma hanye na shiwoko eche ko chon iwe mo ko adafitu ako eche in office ede ke ha gbejano to ko ni ato na to ye he ni agbogbo shigbe ke ha kayaye min to nyenu shishi ake min chun he ni ojugba ake taflache ga fomobi no mo fe mo anatwi negbe twi bo fe bo ni ji wo ba gbe na eche nkula ni kuni eli baba e fe nye you adon ke nye solimo ke nye piamo ke ha ni chumo ni chu agbele e fi ake wo kusun engbo ni kusun ake egbo no mapa o vai tutu be nu o yin ba fan ayo akpliji nle aga nye ka akpliji lo sha ayo akpliji engo na apa ko na wa fi o ka do de fi o be emi won ye fante won ye akolon bi an nle aga fi akolon podon bi an won ye salade ke ni bi ni no me fe han be na mi eche pe ke le momo no nye han wo ya wo blema aye kon na popa koshito ojugba na ga kakadi amako ashwe no be won ya echencho abadunga ni ayafi no ni ochole homo ayawo ni kefe na kan pe kusun na afio afi na enye ha no fe wa ni ne kan wo gandangbe kusun ne wonye wo fe lojugba ni wo game ni yo manse hu wo ba chon ne no nu oke gbara nye fe ya ka afi na nye bo amode nye ba ashia nye ba wa nu okura ga macho ene no ni nkeda gadangbe bi ashi titru ji gamashie efi aka be sa ne to ma fi nyuma kese ne da ka ba ya fie matang nomo ke klante ke kakla ke nibi shi afi ne ye president Akufo-Addo yinone aye homo wo soto ye gadangbe ne ni matanko ba kula minsoli akeshi afine hu anya ye ne ke homo wo ne ni matanko akaba jemeno be minority parliamentary caucus majority parliamentary caucus min da nyefenshi meji chairman ke ha majority ni lanteva napo leji chairman ke ha minority wo fe wo ke wo mama cha no wo kwe aka afine homo wo ayele ojugba lele hu ayele ojugba afine min pa me fai ka wo choko Vandapoy, na me ka me ha wo mi ni ga akanshidi wonye wo ya homo wo pepepe. Ni bi sote unu ejepo wo nye na dede o madro ni jigamanye na anyumo echele o nto gbejanu to ni onukwa achula onaji ko ni kebe she ni anagbe na tole ojugba be fi ake wo fe wo twa ni o manyejo afi wono
Ondabushi. We are try money about Casanamica. Every day, Casanamic is what we are infantile for you and never fanti. Banker, what
you are fighting? Kakro.
Who is Aquaba originally to say?
Unyamia don't name on pipe, bo, you so.
More managing a cracker.
sanity one day at a time.
Na Jenny for what make show mo so ni o make say.
Me ko dominance 1st of July this year. Say no mo nya afi baako. Na nyame ni na me ko na mnim say nkrofo because wo mo e ko ho no wo mo na di mi see ni pa. Enti no na I was wondering say be ko ni say. Na mine interesting time na chopa no ABC from no na ehun kakra asi ye ko rally je ne fu ya no woni kuntoko o mukuta o muntuma we da phone we dreamika am say chopa ye be kudi pa mun ko jen kakra me ne central regional minister na boy and their reception was beautiful wo mo ka say baby wo mo kono ye na emu ni aman kitin bi no mo de tu manim wo street light no mo ni ama me nya sa ni ama no enti ma yese say no akoye se o mu ni greater Accra me pitia na me de kwa na akoye se me undermine me colleague regional minister
no
enti no me frɛ no na me ne no ni MP wo ho no na che se ye di ya kan adwabo ni ye de sa ni ama no akomo mo greater Accra agent kotoku no wo mo problems in kitchen ye ntumi ensolve ye asem de da ho anu aka na reason no ya na mpese meka ba na yi meka ye yi omo no ebi me ba me ho se bio ejanan e no omo so omo didi wom nti e ba ne say ekosi a na che so omo dwuma na bo omo nti right from day one as part of negotiations no me ma omo bo she say ne omo nsi no omo so because agbogloshi no omo nsi enum no omo didi nti wo kosi bi pa that means na no aduane abo no but dem so omo ko dru ho no ade na ye say we pese osie nti amongst them no
nti ase nya
aha nti na afi na ye say aban ne kusima o but infiti ase no na enka arrangement no ho ye wu Adom local government minister okomo omo ayi cement kaka no ne niama nkiti o ma hini frankly no ye ntumi nyeye but aside that no enti aye nya ne say wo man kasa de baby omo no wo meni ji ho obroni beka say enabling environment want me adwuma wo mo asoso kire so mo business no de ekokaka
that advocacy na nipa bebre I think from last year omo dia ba say for instance motor for ya omo sasek kwan ni boomerang junction mo bebre omo cause problems boso kind for any other nyuma bi no it's high time the rexec out there no other stakeholders never you know say yen peja wo mo kokoko miambia bia say na meka se mekope moto ato me mbasa kwan ho ade bia ye horo ne yesi na pa medimani a kire ha na mekwa konya moto ato aboso kan for no adwuma no mo ye na ehia pa magana but baby o ma be hye no either we are streamlining or regulating that area no and as you lifted the whole facility na call a different place ama yetimi a hye ye ho yi as a capital na ma say ni munyam na yi na ye pa ma a capital net I don't know whether apart from JNA for yati ada na
there be ma he the tie say ya na ngrofo say o media demolition na me pe na me mfa da bi enya sa me wo ana aban e won hihye a say biota fracture me a me da greater Accra me da no and no ye what I call the West African Automobile Hub na ye say baby e wa free nya ho ebi nya asase well over 2,000 acres na oko nkronkro so a ti said the aboso kan tie enka ye yom nyina de kɔ hɔ ekromua say aboso kan mean say they are almost to be 100 acres so sebi ejana kora okɔ hɔ a onya bi na me aware so say what the permanent shops any tabletop ka ho a would be around 30,000 and any pet a better idea ni pet shops for ho and you know na ye say you be see close to about 80 or 100,000 shops papa nye tabletop na baby a obenya jana kakra obenya office kakra oko Dubai e wo ho na mpo office enim nso so no wanya car park na say electronics na wa is a very nice plan and ya enti fan say First Avenue ni nyina ye Toyota Second Avenue ni nyina ye Honda 3rd Avenue. Until you
don't struggle.
Right from gate, no. So to Yama now, only say First Avenue. We had one to see a bit use monorail. Now, if you are one way to cars for 1 thing, will be a beco. It's not just a crime pontem hay. Ubia de Kaisini, Ubi fee anymore, Emma Subio. O Pesa or Toka, O Pesa or Tonka, Coho. For say the crown to me for being and to Kaichi. O call Dubai, that's what is there. And our faces no DV plates, no meaning so can be in the human. But open situation say, Ura Honoa. Se car now contra be piano. DVL or customs for Bibia or into no piano now put our car. And no sa crano, Obi real be car, I ain't about coton. Because who the can who the can who police or yeah, that's our chances no my here. It's a no na share, but it's going through a very slow process. I'll say snail process. And I was so kind for any bills feel say oh Henry be 2 or more. And then me then go to about so kind for an alternative place in Malmo. And this arrangement it bet me take it by 5 years. But me bomb pie say a war president for Adom, you bet me a status idea. Oma here ya. And the name of the because a hono near ye see a bay warehouse no money near oh and now go ye engines bar over Quabonti, to be crying. It's near ye say a hono will be a benyan warehouse kakra into shop ye wo warehouse avenue also so warehouse kakra a be a 40-footer size uniama womb into uko inyama no harbor. The plan in you say you link the harbor to Afienya by rail. Adom in Pakadan hono mayeno. Who say President Amia Dada. And no nature say you're linking na ya private toll quine. And no mania mano eba street. Not just say oh yeah spare part dealer ombre. Oko Dubai maza engines siso say oil back any form. There's not a drop of oil. Me pekwana mini and central for benema kwelmakohadie. Ukoko South Africa nuna a automobile hub is sitting on a 12-acre land, 12,000-acre land, acres of land. We have to move forward as a country. And this is the vision that through Mr. President we have. Say, beya edu samre noa yenfa politics ntunchen and think about Ghana, our motherland. It can't always be say, oh, then we cannot make progress.
No, if you try, no vote.
Well, so the other question, you know, so I had so a bit do maybe no in the next 10 years, trust me, it
will be taken over.
Say,
say, oh, yeah,
exactly, you know, I feel the UPO should studio name Mons and Jenny or will you bedroom. Say and take steps, pragmatic steps, and yes, sir. So the Let's Make a Crowdwork agenda is not just aimed at demolishing houses. No, it's about freeing spaces and then also creating an enabling alternative environment for people to do business.
But you do too also, Obana. There's a certain fear. Okay, most of the comments in Abana, almost true. Almost so bad. We are bulldozer. The Obia Kebiano. Unti, you have been with them from the ghettos up to this point. But I say, the whole bad, you always want things to be done right and now. Most of these comments say about, hey, this is Papa with you, the bulldozer. Why? Who can feel like then?
Oh, Omagine, me bibia gidi. The idea fairness, the system should work in our country. Na okwa brochia. Police, Nicola, police to meet you, so why overspeeding. And all we are trying to do is to bring that discipline into the system. The discipline is gone. And we need to bring back the discipline. And in doing so, it is the country first and no other person. And that's my policy. I don't go those. I only make sure there. But
your party people cry resist fiercely. Your girl people no cry no. Almost don't tell us about how you're operating. Also, you're quite a yikakra. Meaning
that yeah. Almost said yes.
Yes.
It's no Esrovia. But nyame adom nyame aye ne say yedi ka bom say a edi bedidi. It no it is expected. And you say if you be a mensa wom. Computer class also a mistake. And yes, I know. So you should expect these things in life. I mean,
but how do you feel when your own party people, when your own kinsmen, they are trying to, in a way, break your front? Say because clearly, the course will be there's a certain group of people, a certain cabal be maybe you are not serving their interest, you are serving the Ghana interest. It continues to be a bigger challenge of frustration, maybe frustrate you.
What we should take notice, I was appointed by the president. And the president has never, in any way, shape, or form, even sent a message through anybody to say, Henry, the office of the president in its entirety, and can't let me say, the so I'll surge on.
Indirectly, they will stampede you. And you know, indirectly, they will stampede you.
And I may try to
say, and yes, to mean that, but yeah, can see you free but will frustrate your movements. You are seeing it, but this is clear frustration, stampeding the focus that I want to have. Typical example: you've been in the system, and central for class, multimedia for. Oba be warning you say, Obia obe park car. It was our kwan we should ye. Opa echo. And Oba in a very cool manner, but we implement ya no you will. We are abiding by those regulations. And hono changing the Ghanaian from a certain situation to another situation and the improvement banner. I will say we'll fiercely resist you. And most of the decisions we take are election-oriented decisions. It won't go be Jinama Casa, the won't quantum Messiah and our banner, over 10 grand, yeah, ama a loose aba, ama wahim for noon, you are no now for. There, you say, so, oh, my papa Quartey said, people will use them to get you to stop certain things that you are doing. And these things keep coming. It keeps coming. The last time I was at Lisa, in fact, there was a meeting about you which suggested that, oh, no, akwadakiti, over 2 years, yeah, I feel we try for so a try for and these are communications going around. And I don't know whether you've heard it, and these are your party people, or you've read it, or you smell it.
So I'll give you one example, and this is without any prejudice. Our president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, he attempted once, twice, thrice. Ansana or in life, you must be focused. And once you are determined, by the grace of God, you go through challenges, but your focus must to get to your final destination. And by the grace of God, I will get to my final destination.
The system makes you a bad person.
Well, it will be in the minds of people, but all kinds of may cheat you from largely Ghana for any anonym for. They are happy with what I'm doing. And the president is happy with what I'm doing. So the small people, and with the greatest of respect to them, they are entitled. It's their opinion, say, Omompe. But Omampeni, Omamejumano, Neniji, Ghana, my, last week here, I'm saying an answer. Yes, I mean, you say, I crowd police for your graduation. And you know, if me and another drive, and a if he mental hospital anymore, in very 30 minutes, bumper to bumper, and go. I choke all the way to AMA, TUC home, and call. I did me friend and call for officer, magic car, and I'm an antinko. I know what you can say me here, brigade. Me, I'm an auntie. Now, me, auntie, a quite we throw, and all they keep telling you is, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. You think that I should be worried about a few people who think that they don't like what I'm doing? They say the voice of the people is the voice of God. So if the voice of the people are saying God bless you, then it means God is blessing me, and I don't want to bother myself about the omuka. Now maybe do my office, and I mean who say, "Mami penimbi or taxi mo," and I say, "Are you Henry Quartey?" And I say, "Yes, I am." And I say, "Oh God," and then they me share papa. And I say, "Maybe I'm in Tikurumwa, me UK." But I'm quoting her. I've been following you. This is what you need. even in the church, I also for crowd in Nasori. That's what many be back at Kokan once. And don't just say, on Kanyamisem. Because one Kanyamisem and Crofans, not just that in Yamin babies and them there. As of now, what did you do? So I would not be deterred by a group of people who think that Henry Quartey is beginning to do. No. But I'll continue to look up to the president who has given me this appointment. And so long as Mr. President is happy and the good people of this country are happy, I shall say, John, by the grace of God.
I see. Henry Quartey, Greater Accra Regional Minister, MP, Ayawaso Central. A lot of innovations now they buy out so a lot of innovations just to ensure that Accra, Accra. Amongst them, really the one that comes to mind, Operation Clean Your Frontage, and also a Badwam. But whipping up enthusiasm on the part of young Ghana for this year, think they be near against you. So what has happened to that operation?
Well, the tempo, I must admit, I start here, no, above from Kakra, admittedly. But he said, okay, you know, it shouldn't be Henry Quartey, a blue man. It should be everybody getting involved to own it. That sense of ownership, na me bompa say ebeba and kramantem ha. We be say, oh, that be in paper we fonchpon. Oh, that be ayo coming on in paper fonchpon. That be eba Ghana womuji. No ama koye jeng. Oh, in tatro me. Me no in paper phone. That sense of belonging, ownership, citizenship, citizenry. Becca say, we dear. I'm being patriotic. That's the point. And I pray that in some trouble for Nyamisian kind of career, somebody I said that mamo. Because over the last 1.5 years, Nyamisian kind of I have enjoyed tremendous support from the media fraternity. I mean, you have been there. But me bompa say moma enye part of more corporate social responsibility. Say anope oye program me ni hamum but what per 5 minutes bu mo o de bogana enkramantem kokose bo modern na wan nya pepa nto ho bo modern wan fa enwura ngu ha modern na do traffic light moto gira say be ya ni nyina obia gimua it will work.
Yeah, sure thing. The people are suggesting that they will say a come back to Salifu Mankwa days and where you train in Fia and in Koboko. From Medina stretch, why would you any because share how kama with the intent that flowers he being in kama I will a yimuna bibiako na kwabna santisha left no share right no wakati me a metal na there will try fast no ko na it how because how are you going to control? It's like we've been used to a particular system for over years. And Obia nya attempt to say or this answer no ebeba. If I the obey no kwano or start here no akoshe corner. But in your case, you are sustaining it in the midst of all the difficulty. But you are swording. How are you going to deal with that? That's why we can say, sorry for Mankwa time nembra. Yemfa Koboko and Bunipa. Ebema nipa babak. Because no, you free sabi enim. It's see a chini pass with emra rather than say pine.
I like that bit.
Yeah.
Coincidentally, Ghana is enjoying 30 years of our constitutional democracy, if you like, through consultative assembly. And you know, you do Mpensenpensemu we manage it. Because one yen is also so a na akotija. And a bianso castle farm and on said a circle. Asa asay. Ain't you know. Matras adwene ho say wo de ko gidigidi saa no a wo yet gidigidi 1 hour okwa no masaba but emom no umom ti ase say eye me ne odia enyum bi say Ghana man say yo Ghana misumi Ghana ye nyina Ghana eno de emuma nsom ye o
ye nyina ye Ghana
ene emuma nsom
ye nsom ye
ampa so enkran me no mienu na ti ha aha ne boy bra ye nsa ya no etua emba school fees dachi bia akora ewie adwuma esi edan bi ayetrem ente nkramante mu anye yia minu mienu ene yemma dachi ene be ha no se etumi ti atie sa pe a na che se main nanti de bia nkogina city kwan se fatuo ansanade ato. This is where we have to work to get through. But there is attitudinal and behavioral challenge. But of course, Rome was not built in a day. Sebi, and that's not meet you. Minim sebi bi akọ start age ni. Era tube or start boom sa. Kakra. Akoko benum so. And the empire bonus say there is that strong awareness. Because a day messages a minyano. Kanen kaminya bi. We see you got to be done in FH, we see ball bi womu, we see BSc dance city kwanzo. Hitherto it was like business as usual. So gradually that strong awareness is being created. Now I can't say the yebe onu adie no. Dachi bia no mawie medwuma mekono. Ebetumi atoaso. And what is important is continuity. In this part of the world, and I can say, I had no any BB, and you knew what they are. But see, we are sustaining it not by Henry Quartey, even if it takes 10 years, 15 years, not by an MPP administration, but it should be a national development agenda, which Greater Accra is part of.
Yeah, almost the video be brave. Now the video no yeah, maybe our constituency I'm say. Oh yeah, and it was a plus for Omamode. They were so happy. Their concern was that how many people will gather the courage to tell their constituents, especially say Adia we engine out to mama say Menkona members Sasadi now the question now Mubusani say you need a lot of courage, you need a lot of financial support to do the things that you want to do or you intend to do as a Greater Accra Regional Minister. Now, also, the probabilities of a constituency are extremely high because of Nyoma Waye for Ghana and your party and yourself. How do you then gather those courage? Because like Nipa never to Abama also a common attack.
My main reason, it took me a lot of effort. Obesha la before I ba power numwa any ye asphalt to a constituency over 18 kilometers. Obekaya asphalt. Midi chileo. Many of na ye human and homachi anopa area. Na baby ana oya de no. Obiek ensuo no egustiti kwan so. Entin enche taxpayer sika ayedi aye kwan no. Ebe say say ono asusu ni fie nim nti poto no ba ebe affect no nti me gidi say no wada dwene ho enu say oh and report as mo ka che mi no asem papa because more to abama me na manko parliament to represent your diverse interests, which includes infrastructure development in our constituency. And this year so say anhwe ni anye ni year and na me koye de wo one of my office in chain. Sebi. Obiaka. Miyere. Every week bia ya no ya fe oje office here office here wakasa. I hope I can answer quite well. Yes, sir. Yeah. But maybe I should let the world know why I haven't done it. Minya kranka eho ni nyina nka meye ni nyina sa masa meti office abeti boom wo do junction traffic light na obi anyina enti the free mala tire ba no the free circle ba no and the free mo sister we say yentumi mo mani radio station e be
top from we
the wa boy the free top ho no wo nyina grand. Enti by default onyame ma sa de ne ba ho no obi edu ha no I no ba mo twam enti na mama soma dwume kakra because to bia obi na ni pepra na ka say na ntokwa gidi enti eno kra ka ho bi na me ye say ye manage the sa na nipa be wuo de obi ka be say de eni odu ho a on slow kakra demko. That is the reason why. And yes I de anke ho no kitwa de anke ayedada. It's very frustrating and very irritating, but at the same time, because of your discipline, and you know, and I could say, at the end, I see Badwam Mpensenpensemu, just a police near Begina Kwan, no, I catch us a red as so, and son of them who begin. You see what I mean? Yes. But when you go to the same driver, no, usiwa bruche pa.
Obachesa.
Masa.
Okay, so my main car say you've just joined us, Greater Accra Regional Minister. We could try one, but Minister said because of okay, on Komo BSD, but you have found constituency quickly, but Dachi my minister said a sanctioned sun winning organization as a query company, and as minister said, over a TV so say no, constituency no, the a team I coffee mobile and they almost say echo so no. When you minim nipa what me
where is this? Maybe I'm TD. I don't go TV, I don't can do a feel there some formula.
But when you are there, echo so constituency no. I mean say omo kosisa aboa kese ba omo machine wo.
Obutu Road.
Obutu Road.
All right. No problem.
Okay.
Just give me 48 hours.
Okay.
48.
48 hours.
2 days. By Sunday, this will be no more. No worry.
Obutu Road.
Oh, yeah. 4 streets away from here. No worry. By Sunday, it will be no more. We'll deal with it. No problem.
I see.
And see, Onipa no sha. Mempese beyen tokwa. On starting in Yamano. It is my constituency, and by God, I'll deal with it. Oh, yes. No problem.
If EP for no crack or no,
Don't worry.
I shouldn't be worried.
Give me 48 hours. By Monday morning, you'll be reporting nice. I'll deal with it. Don't worry.
Oh, because the minister more careful about this minister. Also, because the moon does that was that. What's this year? Or be tell obviously bulldozer there, because say that because once now was say as some preoccupation or say what about 48 hours.
Obahini. Sa kwan no me bo modern ma asphalt ko fa so. Nti enne so be feel say what the boy be go street kwan so. Na wa ye wo that means on my area ho. Won too many profit and ma enkrofo
and so far.
Yes. And you know for opinion leaders. Many on back kasa enne. No me no makasa. Na when tie dia then I'll remove them. Asa.
Okay, you could try one bar. Yeah, bar, any minister better in common, say Kwaba. On this was my main say Greater Accra Regional Minister, Member of Parliament for Ayawaso Central, area Henry Quartey, and in the nutrition come Minister, quickly, 6 months eba. Plans?
Oh, I'm the demographic in crowd.
Hey. And all that way. Operation Clean Your Frontage hits Tema. What Tema this time?
I know people must start to get one yes and could make us say, "Be cameras crowd."
Okay, if we were on
I present by why I say independence, DBINO and kind. I feel the core region. Until this year, no, our voter region. But nanka regional celebration, no, Tizenka constituency and my bay. Afi president amaya atiase yenyina nim sese kromu enhweda nyede enti yen cut cost na kane no assemblies ni nyina ye wo mu potem so a wo de kabo mu a
ebo no
e wo soro pa enti ye trans so sa Greater Accra na ye nyene faako na yen cut cost enti ye ne ye pene so
tinkran nyina ekuhia oba
all the 29 MDAs.
Oh, beautiful.
And yes yen fan kotema go bibia ko yen krankanka and I social media ya no mu churo se me projects ami nyina yen fa mi bata and afi ye 6 March no e water sports stadium na sebio untumi nkonko ye na mfiri ho nti ya ye line of series of activities ebi ye se enne wochira and memelinda there's a massive cleanup exercise going on. We put together about 400, between 400 to 600. Make 600 and no about and then no and say a Juma Hora post for you into numbers number from Kaka. So we're looking at about 400. They are there. Drawn from the security and intelligence agencies. Our city response team, we are pushing another 400, 500 to 600 or more. MMDS, MCS, one more the compassion trucks about. So as at this morning, before I made Baham, almost about 18 compassion trucks, whatever.
Whoa.
Tricycle, towing trucks. motorway no be wia enchenchen ho nyina articulator station and then your channel de beto nyina afi city kwan so whatever main road no so car sisi ho. I feel last week I've done extensive stakeholder engagements. Ya frɛ wɔn ton ade ɛwɔ markets. Garage for captains of industries. Yɛne wɔn nyinaa kasa. Car van akɔ round ayɛ announcement egusuara yɛ. Sɛ ɛnɛ no yɛmma ɛmɛkili ne wɔn fie nim ma wɔn. By the operation clean your frontage bylaw no ɔsi siesie wo fie na siesie n'anim ɛnkosi city kwan no emu. Nti no we are expecting say obi a bɛyɛ. Afi ya yes shops no nyina wɔn tum between 6 and 10. I told obi a no two shops no wɔn nyɛ adwuma. Nti ya catch a TM say wɔn call rounds. Shop bia any business bia wɔn tum no wɔn samo. Nti ye hope say nyame adoma.
Bia should be heading to that extent.
Oh say otumu anu ɔhyɛ inside ɔnyɛ adwuma ni bi. Na ya bɛyɛ ama no. But Obia be ni fie nim. Yes, it says operation clean your frontage. What you say? 18 no yeah na
So what goes into the activities on that day, 6 March
no? We Saturday here. Yeah, boxing bout. Yenya title match kura. Ye be bono Tema Newton AstroTurf.
Oh wow.
Afi so me so ye nkwada no president ya pase education priority enti no ya say be quiz JHS for nyina from all the 29 assemblies no wo selecting from famra na ye quiz ye say eno so ba ko sisai
I was central for mutie
ave we are near the football actually.
Oh wow.
But 6 months na kasa de be no Thomas Sports Stadium.
Okay.
Na the TN say we have invited the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, members of Parliament, both minority and majority, Greater Accra, 34, and say, Ubia, take salute to the importers. So, say, I see you and you know, it's just a miniature of a national celebrations. That's the way it is.
The intent is so good. But during the conversation, then, the Minister Temano, now I come warm, also, baby, I will be any kwanse okase me dem wo Accra tema for na frontage in Senegal woni mi na ankasa ofie nim yeah you as I say it's very important woni mi ankasa means ade ba ko so a high pa ma menka we wi ansa na mabai no so 0302 211701 ekosi 4 maybe no mebu so you minister so 3 be also be a obona ba so be also achia ohun ye anti fast so anti eno no stay within the conversation I have one 0302 211701 ekosi 4 obewuna tipa truck bi no atepo na nua na nabo e di agukwa mu na construction work because na ekwana be one way nti obi no eye na adwuma no omamu ni nyina ye isusu akwan nyina we are forced to say yenkoto to that one way anya one way what dey na moye fa ho
eno de okrum bebre na ya na anka eye se eye assembly na adwuma na eye no man can even for men far when I cannot speak for other regions, but I want to send a clear message to the MMDCs in Greater Accra. Yeah, I confirm on make us one man you my back catch president on you. This operation clean your frontage no. I have set the pace. I have laid the foundation. And if MMDCs in Greater Accra cannot contain it, cannot continue, then we'll make recommendations for Mr. President to bring somebody who can work. And I want to use this medium to send a clear message. Say, I feel they can't sit in their offices. I cannot come to their assemblies to come and work for them. MMDCs in Greater Accra, mun sorry, mun koho, mun nye mwejuma wa assembly, na ehonti, na honkoye, untumi nya, fa bag ni tuwa na kofie. Asa.
Chibi akadie no. What will really push them to do it? You know?
They have all the bylaws to protect them. Our bylaws now, so why can't they do it? And Timaka, if you know, one performance some office. Yes, we are back with catch president. Say, you man, I'm cause we see mention to me.
Assemblies no have power.
They have every power through the bylaw. At 936 is a very powerful tool. at 936 is a very powerful tool. Maintias yes said, Omutumi Trasi, no, be sit down, near who remove, produce permits. No. Time I know sit down, somebody should be going around to see, say, foundation has started with her. Near catch us, I heard you to me because I'm no said before I be sit down, by your application. Now your application, no much say, the planning scheme of the area and Odain is sutu or Ansana.
But it's not done.
No, because you are not bureaucrats in the Dosso. You are the idea be one with the cobra, sir, but people must be serious. The president has put you there to deliver, and so you have to deliver. There should be no excuse. And I make us say, yani eko confirm one. And me can't my speech now. So within 6 months, most of them have done over 1.5 years. So if they don't get to work, we will be the same people to make recommendations for them to be removed.
0302-211-701 equity for way free safe as Accra FM. Was a happy birthday to Mami Jiswa Yamoa, NDC executive member, Eutu Senior East constituency. And there was that. So may God bless your new age. And no, Anna Edika Abba. Okay, so Kofi Nyan Techin so anyway Abba. Call it any or done a difference, man. He talks about
difference.
What is the minister doing about it? Mr. No call it, what is happening? Or done at the same time.
Question we are maybe saying in America. No, and you mean I say, it's the assembly. The work of a regional coordinating council is to supervise the implementation of government policies, not to go and do the work. Anything I say can be beer. Sebio office na semitra. Let me first say, I also central. Why you say? But okay, Fanny said, what want to me? My take it lead, no. My children, no. I expect them to follow and make sure that they sustain it.
Do you mean to me throw this question at you?
Oh, they can throw it because say I said no. See. And but yati, my assembly no akwakoye. I don't want to be providing answers anymore.
Isaac, good morning. What you say?
Hello.
Isaac, what you say?
Hello.
Patrick, you.
Better to contribute to the minister.
You too, Isaac.
Okay. Monday, Nyamiado. But I want to there. Hello.
Patrick Kasa.
Yeah, Mr. Quartey.
Yes, sir.
Market I Amatama municipality in West Nile. And now they do look at then they do river. Reservation which are what they do river when you are West Nile. It is by so many that then we are.
Okay. And that's Minister Biyanoma. Why?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. My info, Good morning. I hope to say, Hamza, good morning.
Yeah, my name is Badwam Mpensenpensemu.
Yes.
Hamza, me fekata free se shibwa kumpe. My name, my memo abasu sene. What did the workaholic regional minister? Abetan studio wa ene. Wo brief yen nyama. First of all, my mention honorable John Alan Kojeche Martin. Flatbera Oba or MPP. Now, what's that? What day, honorable regional minister, no one constituency for Yabi Omoyan or 48 hours. Say, Bina, Yan Wagana. The regional ministers, including a chance regional minister, and Uncle yet said the honorable Henry Quartey, Ayan or Geta Krana, and Kagana Kenya Fimba Kumpo. But tell you also, say, I will be free America by your share, no, say, are you the Henry Quartey? No? Now, what more sharing crown? Time I see what other registration sharing crime. See if Yaku could do what is saying the Quartey. No, to me yet, Jumano, me so bad chance reading your mind is all the Uber at them.
Okay,
creative problems between myself and my colleague regional ministers. Comparison and yet.
Are you minister only choice behind for now? No, don't respond on this matter. But you don't have a choice.
Other regions, but specifically Ashanti region.
Colleagues, they should even take this matter on.
Oh my
Mr. Mr. Nobody, but you know we are uncle.
You made our papa would be the kind. Greater Accra Minister, Michiano, or Wayman. He said, but your buyer, what way that is all order. 37. And I love hotel. Lolly baby a bus up one. The 37. I did drivers, people park one. The truck drivers no air, but a long journey. Cars no bar. Oh, no, Quayan Park, and then no hotel, Honolulu, Malata, check that wall. We have a bus up one, Miss Frey, meaning so big here. A bedroom next week, I'm a back crowd, and me free Kobo, do my say, my banner. No, I cry a man, a war, Miss Frey.
Oh, the minister, we are Buddhas about the Obia ratio, and it is not just a hidden fact. You are really working, and then there will be a me stop from that. And but first call and raise the issue about you can say or say a back first call but we quickly but won't be watching no tell on no. So as a parking as you know once a funny performance no call the piano before 37 on.
Yes, 37 what day and America no. O mine 77 with the bucket is who pipe and no crano and yama the same day or the same time. America cracker. Into Egusu, Yura Ghana police no almost so work Nancy and Ama Bantina, a bedi who you make a cracker. But no hotel holiday, say a million so bank cracha, Nanka in Yakra. But over the last 3-4 weeks, no MC, you know, what collect no honorable Ajetaria, Osha Secretary Hey Kuranoa. Mimi dear Nuna, Akoye, baby, I faka and Makoye giddy, but Osha Dubai Hosa Nina de Co Ayina. Obon say, will you be a hokama? Or ye be ewo inside one momo, I Quartey. No hotel or Koya Hunyana come, none can yet. It is a Quahunyana, but you Munyana, into once in a while, Ubinyaka Crow. But them so bank into Oba San.
The first call I was talking about Sassy, once more, Sissy Amanfobi, Afanina Somaton.
And no, yeah, honorable MC, and I feel everybody need Lante Wilkinson. A honor tier or MCE. So, and Yamina Mekwa Sebi. Then Suye Sama Yake. And Crawford sending messages upon messages. They've copied me. So it is incumbent on him to make sure, say, they don't feel. I don't know if he is a native of the place.
What's your support?
But he has all the support. He is the one the president has put there. And you know, with the greatest of respect, and you say, so no, you're not so yamwa. Many messages severally on this Densu issue. So market here, I am aware of it. What is he doing so that when and that make us a failure? We will not cover any MCE. If you cannot work, lay down your tools and go home. That's it.
Don't you mean Jumana?
Don't you mean Jana Kofi? Because Sebi, President I made Juman Sebi office and that's since I pending paper. And yes, Sebi trade as a bank Juman here. MCE Juma, it is assemblyman. You have to be on the ground. Obviously the job day ground.
I see. A real constituency so quickly. Namiadma say Osako.
Oh pa. Nyamiaduma pa. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want.
Now, Rexek, baby, I could see or Accra within your jurisdiction, baby, I did.
Oh, in the area of security, you cannot say that it's completely cool because every day in Samba. But I can say it, say, Adom, crime rate in Yamania no coffin. And run ye na ascenta hono ashia yesini pako bekoreu. Intino ye train na fire for no at the report na bani ahwe set the same. But generally no, and crying nyama quiet. More especially ya nanka ahimfo nsemu ododo ochina we atwen krantie ubehwa over the last 1 year no. It's been very calm. Nyama fine.
Boy sir more Bana Modeto, Manso assassin as well.
Dear war Trasako. I know the oh, no. And I want to make it clear May Henry Quartey, any Rexec, we are not interested in even a quarter of the plot. And we are not supporting any of the parties. We are interested in the peace of the area. once you breach the peace of the area, it becomes a security matter.
And you're not stampeding the court process.
Dabi, Osha statement here, and you can say, dear court, Wakano, Yan Fire Hunjim, Yan try to say, be interpret
the court.
Dabi, Ena, Yan Cassa, win a Yenidia, win a Yenidia. So, almost Quaco, Mojuma, Yan Twitu, Yan Twin Clantia, rest like a dear fire obey. Na Adom Mpensenpensemu bi afi de ye hu video ya twento de gina nipa so o wa hene no de it's a security threat, and we are concerned about the security of the area until we have declared the place a security zone. And I want to say, sir, any party that we find there, we will deal with the person. We will let the law take its course. Here the omo be court to cry remand them cry be ye wo mo nko sort omo matter no out
We are. Like secretary.
I just said the yaye wo osui. Sen kan ye se me sing hini. Ahimfo na o ma ye miensa. And the rest I say until say regional house of chiefs Becca say esi me see the palace in the omo nkohoda. So we have taken over the palace over the last 1.5 years. Ama kromajo.
Wow.
Almost a fee osu homo, it was the best. Kromi the papa kaneno obehu say dua and tokwa ye me say palace for the obi ankoho. Until we will hear from regional house of chiefs that this person has been gazetted as chief, RESEC will continue to take over the place.
Minister Quartey, enjoy your day.
Ramsar sites.
Yes.
And grow for Sibi, yeah, the man, say, no, I can see an authority say, land to for now, you're money in a year, until they have a good report on the other. It's the check. The best time first stakeholder meeting. Near actually will be a baby and then see. So be found who ever was what and found who they are any year. Then finally regularization will come, and we are looking at a matter of a month or two, maybe.
Minister Obrumankuma, Osnechi Nyabua. Yeko.